My name is Kelsey, and I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. My closet is Kelsey's One Posh Stop, that's the number one, and I have been selling on Poshmark for a few months, about 3 or 4 months, and so far it's going really well. I'm trying a lot of different things to see kind of what sticks and what's the most profitable for me and the least time consuming, most profitability possible. That's obviously everybody's goal. So I ordered 2 ThredUP rescue boxes. One is 7 pairs of shoes and one is outerwear, which is supposed to be 3 coats and 2 scarves. I did not read it properly, so I thought it was going to be 5 coats, but that's my fault, and actually I'm really excited about what I got. So full disclosure, I've already opened these and I think they're pretty good. Let's get into it, and my plan is to record what I got, do an unboxing, and then hopefully in a month or 2, once everything, or at least everything that I think will sell sells, then I'll come back and I'll record how much they sold for, how long it took, was it an offer to likers. Hopefully I'll remember that detail. So then I can come back and give you all the details on how profitable these boxes were for me. So yeah, so this is what the shoe box looks like. It is pretty big and it's a really nice box. Everything came wrapped in tissue paper, which if you've seen an unboxing of these, you kind of know. Sometimes they do. I've seen some videos where they didn't come wrapped in tissue paper. Obviously, like, that's ideal so they don't rub against each other and get damaged in shipping. So the first thing that I got, was this pair of brand new slippers, and they retail for $30. They still have the tag on them. Hold on. The Deerform slippers, and they're perfect condition, brand new with tags. So hopefully I can sell them for $10-15, and then make $7 to $10 profit. Hello, I am Kelsey from the future, and I filmed this original video on December 16th, 2018, and today is February 24th, 2019. So everything except for one thing has sold, so I'm just going to insert these clips into the video, hopefully organically, and it'll look okay. I don't know, we'll see, and I'll let you know how much everything sold for. So what I just talked about was the slippers, and those actually sold in a bundle with some other really cheap things. I had marked them down to $8. They sold on January 6th. So I had been sitting on them not even that long. I don't know why I was in such a hurry to get rid of them, but I had them marked down to $8. The buyer just bundled everything, and I had an automatic discount at that time on bundles, so she got 20% off. So basically like $6 is what she paid for these shoes. Okay, moving on. So with shipping, the shoe box was $43.99 and the outerwear box was $39.99. So it's a little pricey. It's more than I would probably pay in the thrift store. But obviously I didn't have to go sourcing, so that was good. The second item that I got were these Dibs, like stacked heel with like a faux suede punched fabric on the top, and they're in really good condition. Like nothing's worn out. The heels look kind of perfect almost. I mean, they definitely look worn on the like heel part, like there's a little bit of like scuffing, but they don't really look worn on the inside at all because it's not rubbed off. But they're really cute, and I am not familiar with the Dibs brand, but I did look up some comps and they looked pretty good. Like I think it retails for over $100, but I'm not really sure, so correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so they're really cute. So the Diva shoes, why did I keep saying Dibs? I have no idea. It's not a brand that I'm familiar with, but that was weird. Anyway, so the Diva shoes actually took the longest to sell, and they sold in a bundle with 3 other items. The entire bundle I sold really cheap. Let me see, her price was $30, and I included a $1.80 shipping discount.
So totally I made $22.20 on the entire bundle. Pretty much everything in the bundle was from things that I've already made my money back on, so I didn't really consider them to have a cost of goods. There was just like one bra that cost me $2. So I'm gonna say I made $10 on these shoes. Okay, we good with that? Good.
The third item in my box was these Steve Madden flats. They're a little bit worn, but really cute. I haven't checked comps yet. I don't know how well Steve Madden does on the app. I've never really sold shoes. I've sold a few of my own shoes, but I haven't actively bought any shoes to sell. I have a few shoes listed in my closet that are my own personal shoes, but otherwise I don't sell shoes, so I'm not familiar with the comps, and that's kind of why I wanted to buy the shoes, because just to see like how it goes. So these have kind of like a faux snakeskin pattern on them, and then it's like a pleather. Oh, it says it's got a leather upper and a fabric lining and a rubber outsole. And also I ordered all of the shoes in a 7.5, which is my size, just in case I liked any of them, and also then I can check and make sure that they're true to size and none of them are like wonky sizing. So yeah, Steve Madden flats.
The Steve Madden shoes sold for $7. I think somebody sent me an offer. I can't remember exactly. I think I had them marked at like 15, and then maybe I marked them down to 10 for closet clear out. And then however it happened, I got $7 for them. So I got $4.05 from that sale. And they sold on January 7th.
Next thing I got was a pair of Clark's Prevo. I'm not familiar with the brand. I have no idea how much they sell for. They look a little bit worn on the heel. There's a little bit of wear. But they look like kind of like an orthopedic-y shoe. So hopefully there's a market for them. They're in really good condition. They don't look like super used at all. So yeah.
So I meant to record videos of all of these when I was taking pictures, but I forgot. So you only get a few of them, but these are the Clark shoes, and I will talk about how they sold in a second. The Clarks sold for $10, and so my profit was $7.05. They sold on January 24th.
The next item I got was these Dolce Vita like slip-on sneakers, and they have like a lace up, but you can just slip your foot into them. They're really stretchy and they look like in great condition. They're a little dirty on the bottom, but they don't look worn down at all. There's no, like, the tread is totally in perfect condition. So black, 7.5, Dolce Vita. I'll probably rinse off the bottoms a little bit just to make them like clean up a little bit, but I think they're great. And I checked comps and they were over $100. So what they would sell for, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they're popular, but I'm gonna try and probably list them at like 45, maybe 35, 45.
So the Dolce Vita slippers sold for $15, and they sold on January 5th. I did not clean them, which I probably should have. She left me 4 stars. The reason I didn't clean them is because I was just photographing, and so I just wanted to get the pictures done. So I got the pictures done, and then I was like, well, let me clean them before I send them off because they're kind of dirty. And I was like, well, they look this dirty in the pictures, so it should be fine. Just clean the shoes. I don't know why I didn't do that. I should have cleaned the shoes. But so 4 stars is still not bad. That's okay. She probably still liked the shoes. She was just like, they dirty, which they were kind of dirty.
I don't know if this is a big brand or not, but I think these shoes are so cute. The brand is Celeste or Celeste, and they are the perfect New Year's shoes. They are so, so cute. I might keep, if they don't sell, I'm probably going to keep them for myself. I might just wear them for New Year's and keep them listed. But they are so cute, and they look like they're basically brand new. They still have tags on them. And they've got all these little sparkles, and they are so, so cute. And the inside is pink, which is my favorite color, this light millennial pink. there's like some glue on the inside that's kind of like yellow, but I don't think that's an issue. I'll probably list them as like new condition, because they still have the tags, so I don't think they've been worn. But very, very, very cute. This is backwards. Yay! Seriously, these shoes were so cute. Loved them. So, of course, the Celeste shoes were the first shoes to sell. They sold on December 26th, so I did not get to wear them for New Year's. And they sold for $30. I believe she sent me an offer. So my profit on that was $24, which is good. That almost covered the box. So this was actually the first thing that I noticed when I opened the box, and I was like, oh my god, are those real? So not my style at all, but Coach shoes. And I looked them up and I found some comps that looked like they sold for $75 on Poshmark. So if that's real, then that would make all my money back, hopefully. And they look to be in about the same condition. They didn't have a back, the ones that I saw. So they were just like the front without the back. So it's got like a square toe, and it's got kind of like an edge around it that sticks out. I'm not sure if you can see it. But they say the Coach on the inside, got the Coach on the back. They look to be in really good condition, probably only worn a few times. Like, they're scuffed on the bottom, but there's no visible problems on the top. So exciting. So it turns out the Coach shoes weren't as valuable as I thought they were. I listed them and the next shoes that you're going to see. I think I started them both at $75, and then I ended up just lowering and lowering and lowering. I don't know why I was such an eager beaver, but I was. So I ended up, I don't know if I think I dropped them down to like 25, and then I got this offer for 17, and I accepted because money. So my earnings were $13.60, and I did get a 5-star review, and she said that they are very beautiful and she loves them with heart eyes. So at least somebody loves them. That's great. I'm happy with that. And then I'm really excited about these. I don't know if they will sell for a lot, but I think they're really high quality. So hopefully someone who really wants them can find them and buy them from me, because they are very cool. There are these Lauren by Ralph Lauren loafers, and they have like a real, I guess it's horsehair, it's some kind of animal skin, fur, and they're a cheetah. And so they look basically brand new. I don't see any flaws. They're genuine leather, lining, and I tried them on, they're really comfortable. I think they're really cool. So hopefully somebody can find them that will love them, because they are beautiful. And they're really soft, and yeah. Like I said, started these at like 75, but I ended up, I can't remember if I got an offer or if I lowered them this low. I think I had them to like 25, and then I got an offer for 20, which I accepted. So I ended up making $16 on the Ralph Lauren shoes. And I also got a 5-star review, and she said that she loved them and they were in great condition, which they were. They were basically brand new. Yes. That's all of the shoes that I got in this box. So like I said, I also ordered the outerwear box, which is supposed to have 3 outerwear items, or 3 coats and 2 scarves. So the first coat that I got is new with tags, and it's from Stylely, which I don't know anything about, but I did look on their website, and things seem to retail over $100, which I think is pretty good for resale. Will it sell? Do people look for it? I don't know, but it's kind of a cute coat. It's this bright yellow pea coat, and I'll insert in some footage of it, but it's brand new with tags. It doesn't say the retail price on it. I tried to look it up on their website, but I couldn't find this style, and I don't really know how their lines work. So like the tag says Stylely, but the label says Kanfer, but then the tag says Kanf. So I don't know. Is that the label? Is that the style name? I'm not really sure. I've never bought anything off Stylely. I don't know anything about it. So hooray, a short recording.
Yay! So this coat sold like almost immediately. It sold on December 17th for $38, and I earned $30.40. So the next item is a Columbia fleece. It is size medium. I also order all of these in my size so that hopefully if I liked anything I could keep it, and I could also check the sizing. There are a few stains on this, which were like on the back. There's a little bit of staining, and on the sleeve I think there's some demarcation. So I'll try and clean that up, and hopefully it'll come out, and then I can list it. But also, okay, so then the next thing that I got was another Columbia jacket, which is this like windbreakery blue, and it looks to be in really good condition. I thought I maybe saw like a little yellow mark on it, but I couldn't. The lighting, I don't know. Maybe not. But if it shows up when I've lit it and photographed it, then I will obviously disclose it to the buyer. But my question is, are these two things supposed to go together? Because then that doesn't count, right? Like that's not 3 items if the two Columbia things are part of each other. Because like they kind of match. So do the 2 pieces go as one? Because I was trying to look up this style and I did see where they came with a fleece. So if I can only sell them as one, then I don't know. Can I make my money back? I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's good. But the first styly coat is pretty good. So hopefully that'll earn some money. I don't know. We shall see, and hopefully I'll put it in and you can know the future, which I don't know yet. So then I also got 2 scarves. One is new with tags. This one, it says it is Bon Worth and it retailed for $15. Okay, I'll list it. I don't know if anybody will buy it. I could probably not sell it for more than like $5. But if nobody buys it, then I'll probably just throw it in as a freebie with some other purchases. So, and then I got this other scarf, which feels like a good quality, but it does not have a label. So that's a little disappointing, but that's okay because, you know, I'm pretty excited about my shoebox. I think I got some great things in there, and hopefully I can insert the future, and I'll hopefully... Oh, I just noticed a stain. I just noticed a stain on this Columbia jacket. Can you see that? Future Kelsey here, and I thought I would just freeze myself on this beautiful frame to let you know that I could not remove this stain. So I was able to get out the stains from the fleece, but not this. Well, I will try and spot treat that, and hopefully it will come out. I feel like this fabric could probably just be like rubbed off. I don't know. I will see, but it is a Omnitech Columbia jacket. So I'll look up that style and we'll see what that goes for. So the Columbia jacket has not sold yet. I cannot tell you why. I don't understand it. Maybe because of the stain. I listed them together. I dropped it. If you want to buy it, please buy it. I don't know why I still have it. But thank you for watching my video, and I hope that this was informative and you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.